birthday yo shy, birthday yo shy, birthday yo shy. All praise to Yahweh, Bahashem, yo shy, Bahashem Kakadash. The models to the apostle of great millstone. And salutation to like us pushing this truth. So this is a video talking about how we speak on the highways and hedges, part 2. All right. So I just want to bring out a couple more scriptures. Okay. Just get into it, short and sweet, to the point, all right, because people, like I've been saying, don't like how we speak, and this is how we're supposed to be speaking, all right? They think it's evil, all right? They think that power is evil. They think strength in a voice is an evil thing, all right? That's what Esau promotes. Esau promotes that if you're soft, okay, if you look like a cuck, all right, you shave your beard off, put baldness upon your head, okay? You smile wherever you go, wherever you walk. All right, wear tight ass jeans. You're a good and clean, good person. And then if you have an afro, okay, and a beard, you don't smile all the time. They think that's an evil thing because it's power. Okay, Esau believes that power is evil. Okay, so we're austere, speaking loudly, and we have bass in our voice. Okay, they think that's an evil thing. All right. If we say straight up that you're wicked, you're going off, they think it's evil. They think you have to speak in a nice, soft tone, which that is evil in itself. I'm going to get that. This is Proverbs 26, all right, verse 20. Look for the best one. All right, so this is Proverbs chapter 26, verse 25. When he spaketh fair, all right? So when this person speaketh fair, believe him not, for there are 7 abominations in his heart. Wow. All right, so let's get a little deeper understanding. Let's go into the Hebrew and Greek. And it says fair. All right, to show favor. All right. To be pitied, okay. To make gracious, all right. Be gracious, all right. So that's what you guys want. So it says right here, have mercy on, okay. So someone that does that has a lot of evil in their heart, okay. So let's go back. All right. When he speaketh fair, all right. So when he speaketh with mercy, when he speaketh like nicely, okay. When he speaketh of graciousness, all right, gracious, believe him not. Okay, so when you want to speak that way, that's an evil thing. When you're telling us to be very quiet, all right, to not speak loudly, that's very evil, what you're saying. We're not supposed to speak like that. Because it says right here, when you speak fair, believe him not. For there are 7 abominations in his heart. Not 1, not even 2. 7. It doesn't literally mean 7, because 7 is a number of completion. So that means that guy has so much evil in his heart when he speaketh fairly, quote unquote, when he speaketh graciously, with mercy, all right? When he speaketh kindly. So you gotta stop wanting us to speak that way. We're not supposed to, straight up. It's an evil thing. All right. Now, people keep thinking, y'all shy. Is this all love? Okay, all love. Soft. Okay, no backbone. Okay. Let me show you what love is. Okay. Let me show you what love is. You think we're supposed to be out here kissing feet, being so soft and nice and loving. All right. so evil. Straight up says right here. And it says, this is 1 John, chapter 5, verse 3. For this is the love of God, that we keep his commandments, and his commandments are not grievous. All right. So we're supposed to be keeping the commandments. All right. And love, when we keep the commandments, that's love. Okay. So I don't know what you guys are talking about, this soft, gushy shit. I don't know what love that is. What you talk about that when you want us to speak like that? You want us to speak with stammering. You want us to speak softly and nicely. Okay. And you say that's love. That's not. Love is keeping the commandments. And commandments is the law, statute. Is the law of statutes, all right? Those are all the laws, okay? And listening to the Most High and His Son, everything they say, Yahweh Shem Shai, okay? So we're not supposed to be speaking in a soft tone, all right? It shows that if we do that, it shows we have a lot of evil in our heart, okay? We're supposed to be speaking austere, like how Yahweh is, okay? We're supposed to be speaking with stammering lips in a mocking way, okay? We're supposed to be this way. So anything otherwise is evil. So if you're telling us to do this, you are evil. Do you understand? Okay? So that's the case. All right. Yeah, so with that, hope this lesson was edifying. I'm going to give all praise to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem Kakadash, double honors to the Apostle Great Millstone, and salutation to the elect that's pushing this truth, and the Aqua that's listening. All right. Shalom.